Visium Care is marketed as a liquid supplement designed to support eye health. It claims to target the root cause of vision decline and help with blurry vision, eye fatigue, and overall clarity. The product is said to use a blend of natural ingredients that are clinically proven and works without any harsh treatments or synthetic chemicals. The idea of improving your vision naturally without surgery or medication is definitely appealing, especially for people dealing with daily eye strain or age-related vision issues. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when we look closer at the claims, some things start to feel a bit unrealistic. One of the biggest promises is restoring your eyesight to how it was in your 20s. That's a huge claim, and honestly, it doesn't match what medical science tells us. Most vision problems, especially those related to aging, are not reversible with supplements. So when a product promises something this dramatic, it's definitely a warning sign. Another thing is the idea that you can improve your vision in just a few weeks. Eye health doesn't usually work that way. Real improvements, if they happen at all, take time and often require proper medical treatment. Quick results like this sound more like marketing than reality. The product also suggests that it works for almost everyone. But in reality, eye conditions are very different from person to person. Factors like age, medical history, and the specific issue all matter. So a one-size-fits-all solution doesn't really make sense here, and it's often used as a way to make the product sound more effective than it actually is. You might also notice phrases like doctor recommended or clinically proven, but there's usually no real evidence provided. No proper studies, no clear sources, and no recognized medical institutions mentioned. If something is truly backed by science, companies normally show that proof clearly. Then there's the claim of being completely natural with zero side effects. While natural ingredients can be helpful, saying there are no side effects at all is misleading. Even natural substances can cause reactions or interact with medications, so this kind of statement should always be taken carefully. Another concern is the idea of a secret or unique formula. If a product doesn't clearly explain how it works or doesn't provide exact ingredient details and dosages, it raises questions about transparency. You deserve to know exactly what you're putting into your body. And finally, the limited time offers and low stock warnings. These are designed to create urgency and push you into making a quick decision. But when it comes to your health, rushing is never a good idea. It's always better to take your time, do proper research, and think carefully. So overall, while Visium Care may sound promising at first, there are several red flags that you shouldn't ignore. It's always a good idea to be cautious with products that make big claims, especially when it comes to something as important as your eyesight.